full ears, and we need some scissors and some pens. Okay, so first we'll take the paper plate and fold it into half. Then we'll open the paper plate. There is a line. Cut it with some scissors. See? Put this one aside. Then take the paper plate, the pencil, and do the eyes like this. Then do the cheeks. Then do the nose. Okay, so we are done. Let's paint the paper. Take orange color. If you don't have orange color, you can just make one with red and yellow. So brush and put some orange paint like this. Done. Then we'll take color pink. Take it and pour it over here. But be careful for the cheeks. Like this. Done. Let it dry for a few seconds. So now we'll take black. So take it and put it in the eyes first. Carefully. Now in the nose. Now make the eyelashes like this. Let me see and show you. Then we'll make the cheeks. But remember to take two brushes because black takes over in the every paint. Now we'll take for the cheeks red color. I'm done. Are you done? Now we'll paste the ear. Cut into triangle shape like this. You have to paint with orange. Then take the glue and stick it. I have already pasted one. Now I am showing you how to paste the other one. Take the other one like this. Then glue it back side. Like this. I already pasted this one to show you. Make one small triangle like this. I didn't show you to show you how to do it. Now I'll show you the other one. And paint inside with the black paint. Like this. Like this. Normally. Don't do hurry. Now give a good shape like this. Let me show you. And take the other one. The paper wall is ready. Please subscribe and watch my video.